Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. Friends, in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful but easy to make hand embroidered, handmade clutches, purse, bags, pouches. So friends, as all of you could see that these design patterns are very easy. If you are an embroidery beginner, then no need to worry about it because you can simply make these designs by exactly following these patterns and these color combinations. Friends, this is a very creative and DIY type ideas that you can recreate your or redesign your old pouch, mini bags, clutch, purse, mobile holding bags, glasses covers, or some sort of money keeping bags. Because if you have some sort of used fabric made bags, then you can also try these patterns onto them, or you can simply make new bags by using the skills of hand embroidery by following these patterns and hand sewing or machine sewing as well. So friends, the basic purpose of this video is to share some amazing, eye-catching and mesmerizing ideas by how you can make your own designer bags at home and can save money and can make designer bags into very affordable prices at home, friends. So I suggest you to watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish ideas. And one more thing friends, I have a very humble request to you that if you are new to my channel or you are watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, because on my channel you can get a variety of very beautiful, very stylish and very eye-catching handmade, hand art like hand embroidered stuff, any type of category related to women fashion, women dresses, footwear, handbags, face masks, mobile covers, glasses covers, and much more related to girls fashionable accessories. And not only hand embroidery, you can get a wide variety of design ideas of crochet designs, silk ribbon embroidery, fabric paint, hand painting, embroidery patterns, mirror work, gota work, and much more. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like my video, then don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. So keep supporting us, keep watching my content as always you have been. Thank you so much once again. Stay connected, stay tuned. We will soon be back with you along with some new creative and eye-catching ideas that could give you some amazing fashion ideas.